Oh, it knows it's over and gets under the Chargers. It's going to be a short run here for Roger tonight.
Oh, how about that?
Oh, it's nose light and it gets wild on him. Has to back out of it before he wanted to. That is going to trigger changes back in the staging lanes for the rest of the Theobald team as Grant has a wild ride to 297.42. Oh, it goes wrong. I have to wonder, as that fire appeared in the stack, if they didn't drop an exhaust valve. Tonight might be a very long night for the Terry team. Kablooey! Knocks the burst panel out of it.
Yeah, tough break right there, fans. You see the officials right on the spot there with our fire extinguishers, making sure everything's all contained down there, and looks like it has here. We'll take a look at the replay, exactly what happened.
Something allows a spark signal to get up into the intake manifold and fire off that ejected methanol and knock the panel out. The safety relief device right there. Pow! Gets those throttle butterflies laid right over, feels the chassis rise beneath his seat.
Oh, fans, well, he rolled the dice out here.
Oh, gets a little bouncy on him, goes for a bit of a western ride out there, trying to bump that throttle, stay under the RPM limit. Hey, what do you say? Command to your fans. Using every inch of that 35-foot wide pulling surface.
40s. Okay, did not like that takeoff.
Woo, spooked him for a moment, but he realized nothing blew up and went right back to full throttle.
Eli trying to use all that track here tonight.
Oh, he's got the setup here tonight, fans. What do you think?
Oh no! Something goes right. Grayson reacts very, very fast to it and pulls fuel, goes to his stop. He was all over whatever that situation is going to be.